Did you wake her up?
No, I think his thing touched her.
Oh, she snored again.
Well, that didn't take long.
She went right back to sleep.
We've been quiet for nothing.
Daddy. Oh, Daddy.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh, she snored so loud.